I am very glad that the Powai Plus has been launched in Powai. Powai is a vibrant township and it is synonym with Hiranandani. If there is no Hiranandani, there is no Powai. Hiranandani Gardens, Powai is a very vibrant township. There are so many activities which happen here, which are social and cultural in nature. But every activity that has been initiated by different groups of people in Powai, they really form a huge fabric that boasts itself very proudly that we represent Powai and we are from Hiranandani Gardens, Powai. One more feather in the hat has come in this community, that is powaiplus.com, and I congratulate the powaiplus.com and all the promoters like Mr. Harish, Mr. Manoj, and then Ms. Meenu Mantri, and I wish you all the best. And the first event that they want to do in Powai is the wind of change, and it's really a change. But because in Powai we have never seen any event of this kind, and for the first time in the history of Powai and Hiranandani Gardens, the kite festival is organized, and that too with a Tendulkar of kite in the world, Mr. Dilip Kapadia, who is going to come and fly different kites, and I heard that they are going to fly more than 200 kites with 10 people showcasing a different theme, and it's going to be a great event and great entertainment for the people of Powai. And what is best is the people in Powai has got a fine feeling for everything, and the organizers of this event are also having a fine feeling for the animals and the birds. So they are also parking an ambulance here in case something happens to the bird or the animal. They will take care of it. I wish them that there is no untoward incident, and they are going to rock this event on 27th, and I wish them all the best. And from me, I also wish the entire Powai community, let's all enjoy this new unique event.
Hi, this is Harish Mehta, the director of powaiplus.com. I am a certified business coach, a certified executive coach, and a law of attraction trainer. The thought of creating and giving something back to Powai came to my mind a couple of months back. And that's the time I got a few friends together and shared this thought with them, and came out with giving something back to the people of Powai, by the people of Powai, with the people of Powai, and at Powai. That's how this generated, and today we are going to launch powaiplus.com. And I'm proud to say that it's going to be looking after all ages, from a newborn to a senior citizen. And I look forward to enjoying being here and being a part of this and being with all of you Powaiites.
Hi, I am Arvind Hirlekar. I am a chartered accountant and a certified financial planner. I live here in Hiranandani Gardens, a building called Glen Classic. I am into life insurance and also into financial planning. Through this Powai Plus, the idea is to bring more life into the life of Hiranandani Gardens, Powai, to begin with as such. This will spread all over later.
Hi, this is Anurag Gupta, one of the directors of Powai Plus. I am an investment manager by profession, and I've joined Powai Plus with my friends with the aim and a vision to bring communities in Powai together. We believe that as a community, Powai, the whole Powai commune, right from Raheja Vihar, from Nahar Amrit Shakti, Lake Homes, Hiranandani, IIT Powai, Chandivali, even Kailash complex, we all need to come together and create energies, positive energies for the community, for each and every individual, touching each and every strata of society and every heart and every soul.
Hello friends, this is Abhishek Gupta. I am a director in Powai Plus. We 6 friends of us have come together for the community of Powai. We would like to get together all the people in and around Powai for a common cause and to have fun and entertainment. When we started this, We saw that there was not a community in Powai which basically does events for the people of Powai, and people of Powai are going out of Powai for events and entertainment. So we thought, let us come together and use all our experience with all of us and form a community events platform for Powai by the people of Powai.
Hi, this is Manoj Manwari, Director Powai Plus. This is a new forum which we floated for the people of Powai. As a professional, I'm into the information technology and security surveillance business. Powai Plus is a fantastic platform which is for the people, by the people, with the people. My intention is by powaiplus.com to get the community of whole of Powai, which begins at right from IIT, closing at L&T and up to Chandivali, together as a community. It's gonna serve as a platform for you to showcase your talents, to showcase whatever capabilities and whatever business practices that you have, and also it will give you an opportunity to advertise. We need you. Powai Plus is about you, about the people. It's people who's gonna make Powai Plus what it is. And we expect your support wholeheartedly to make it a big time success.
Hi, this is Ghanshyam Kurnani, mechanical engineering graduate from Vijay and the engineering atom business for last 25 years in the name of GS Hydraulics. We have come together in Powai Plus, and I'm proud to be a part of Powai Plus, a platform which is meant to give something back to society. It's meant for Powai, it's meant for Powaiites. It's a platform to be more interactive, to get closer and create a platform for Powaiites.
Hi, I'm Meenu Mantri and I run this platform called Think Beyond. Think Beyond is associating with Powai Plus for the Kite Festival. I'm extremely excited, and Think Beyond is going to be the NGO partner. We're going to be bringing in loads of school children, college children to participate in this unique festival, the Kite Festival. And apart from that, we are also bringing in some beautiful musical concert where we are bringing in different bands to come together and play in the open air. So all the best to Powai Plus, and let's hope how far we can associate. It'll be wonderful to associate with Powai Plus.
Hi, I'm Simmi. I want to give very best wishes to Powai Plus. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Medha Hidlekar. I stay in Powai. I wish all Powai Plus directors all the best and enjoy in Winds of Changes, a great event to happen.
Hi, this is Poonam Kurnani. We wish to see you all at Winds of Change event. Wishing Powai Plus all the very best for the future events.
Winds of Change blowing towards Powai. So Powaiites, you find all the changes out over here in Powai Plus.
Hi, this is Neha here. This is Kushagra. And we both are all excited for our next event, Winds of Change. All the best, Powai Plus.
Hi, I'm Ankita Gupta, and I wish all the very best to Powai Plus and Winds of Change. Thank you.
Hi, all the best to Powai Plus and Think Beyond.
Pretty exciting, many people, many kites. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it and really looking forward to it. Hope that'll be great.
I think it's a good event. It's for Powai people and it's like a change of your day-to-day life. So it would be a fun to watch and be a part of it if we can, we'll be participating in such kind of events. So it's good, great work.
I heartily congratulate the Powai Plus team for this novel idea. This is definitely a long felt need, and I'm sure this is going to add a huge amount of value to the Powai community. These guys are definitely have a proven track record. I am looking forward to this. All the best.
I think this kite flying festival is going to be amazing. Since a kid, I've been flying kites, and I think 120 kites in the air is going to be awesome. And I'm going to be flying kites. Yay! Woohoo!